Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick video real quick on the CAT Pro Select adjusting instrument. I know some of us have had problems with our activators. You might be looking at getting a different adjusting tool that's a fraction of the price. Anyways, I decided on this one. I've had it for 2 or 3 weeks now, and I thought I would kind of do a quick review and let you know what I think about it so far. It comes with a cervical adjusting attachment, which I think is pretty cool. It just simply slides on the end here and pushes in as far as you can push it. Gives you a little bit of an extension when you're trying to reach, those upper cervicals or lower cervicals. Somebody that's got a little bit more skin, that kind of makes it nice. So I thought that was definitely a plus about this instrument. Let me kind of go through the rest of it here. So one thing that I noticed first is that the space between the two handles is further apart than the activator. So it doesn't feel quite as comfortable in my hands, and I have smaller hands than an activator does. It takes more extension in my fingers to reach and use it. Seems like the activator's handle sits more so up in here, so it's a little bit shorter. That's the first thing I didn't like about it. The other thing is that the adjustment for tension is right here. It screws up and down, similar to the Activator one. This thing, I mean, it moves so easy, it's hard to keep it in the spot you want it, and I don't really like that. It does have, and I don't know if you can see it, but there are some numbers and dashes here, so you can kind of see what the settings are. But again, I don't particularly like that. The strength of the spring is really weak, so it doesn't really adjust the tension of the spring. All it does is allow more kickback. And for example, the space between here and here is the only difference really that you're getting. You can see how it comes all the way back and then it adjusts. You screw it up here a little less, and all the way to the top very little. But the actual strength of the spring stays the same, and it's very, very weak. If you're getting this to use simply for the neck or the middle back, I would say it's great. It's awful when it comes to doing lumbars and pelvis. I mean, I don't think this thing does a dang thing when you're trying to adjust, especially the pelvis. And I don't like it, and I'm not going to use it for that in particular. So I'm a little disappointed in the strength of that spring. Again, I would not say that this is an all-around adjusting instrument. It's not going to be good for the pelvis. It's going to be really good for the upper back and the neck, and I think it's really good for the jaw because it's so light. I honestly think that the tension of this spring is less than the #1 setting on my Activator 4, which is pretty weak. And again, this is actually less, and you can't really turn that tension up. Regardless, or rather I have it set here or all the way up. The spring tension is the same. The only difference is the amount of thump that you get, the direction that this comes back. That's the only change, and I don't really like that. Anyways, hopefully this helps somebody. There wasn't anything out on these CAT adjusting instruments. I would say it's okay for the price. It's okay. I mean, I think I paid $250 for this. I wasn't going to pay another $800 for an Activator 4. I think they're way overpriced. So somehow I'm going to make this work, I guess. Anyways, hopefully this helps, guys. Good luck, and thanks for watching.